Welcome back, YouTube family. I wanted to share another video, and this video is really to help with those who wear glasses or just tired of seeing smudges. Now, as you can see, I have a pair of my glasses that I wear. Now, one thing that annoys me, and I'm pretty sure it annoys all of you as well, is if you wear glasses, prescription glasses or sunglasses, once you get that little smudge, it is hard to ignore. It's like you see it non-stop. So there is a solution. Most people would get like a microfiber cloths, but then you would have to wash it eventually over and over, and you have to remember to carry it with you. So I have an even easier solution to that. It's called lens wipes. And I go through a specific company that I've been working with for the last 2-3 years. And the reason why I share this is, again, you get that one smudge on your glasses and you notice it. For those who wear glasses, you know what I mean. Even if it's a small touch, the minute you put the glasses on, the smudge is like magnified in your eyeballs and it gets very annoying. So instead of carrying a microfiber cloth around, you can carry like little packets and then wipe your glasses and discard them. So the one I have is through a company called Nice and Clean. Now, again, I've been going through them for the last 2-3 years. And the reason why I recommend them, this box of 100 wipes is literally only like $3 to $4. And the prices have not really changed. It's been the same low price for years. This is why I keep buying them. These are very capable lens wipes, and I've used them for different glasses. I use them on my phone as well. Basically anything that has a screen on it, these help. It doesn't leave all that residue or like cotton and stuff like that on it. You don't have to worry about that. It wipes it very clean and very secure. And then once you're done, you can just toss it right in the garbage and put the next packet in your car. So I have a couple of like these packets like in my car, have some in like my laptop bag. I keep some in like jacket pockets. You never know when I may be somewhere and I may need it. So I always carry these with me. I would recommend the same for you if you're just tired of having smudges on glasses or laptops or tablets. Of course, the logo shows clearly glasses, but you don't have to only use these with glasses. I mainly use them with glasses because I wear glasses and because I'm tired of having smudges on my glasses. I'm very like picky. If I notice a smudge, even if it's very small, can't get over it. So when you open the box, they come in like little packets. So they usually come in twos, but I broke one apart, so I have separated them basically. They come in a pack like this. So these little wipes you can carry right in your car. Now, if you look at my glasses here, just to kind of show you, you see all that smudge right there on the right side. So I'm going to use this wipe for that lens. And I'll show you the difference. Right now it's really smudgy. Now I'm not going to do super in depth because obviously I know a lot of you don't have that much time to sit here and just watch me wipe some glasses. So I'm going to wipe it off camera. I'm just going to show you the difference. Again, you can see it. So I'll put that little light out. You see the smudges there. Now when I take it, I'm going to go off camera really quick. If you notice, of course, you see some on that, maybe on that edge. That's just because I only wiped the center. I just want you to see the difference as soon as you start wiping it. But here, no smudge. There's no residue. There's nothing left. Literally now you can see right through the glasses. It's fine. So again, these are called Nice and Clean. I'll leave a link in the description so that way you can check it out for yourself. And again, definitely, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, please let me know. If you have any suggestions, I love feedback. And please subscribe, like, comment. I would love to see my page grow, because remember, this page is not for me, it's for you. Happy New Year's, guys. Stay safe. Happy Black History Month. Take care.